Yes! Hello guys, this is Ryder Slasher here, and today we got the dieapet Thomas stick right here, and I'm talking so fast I can't even speak. So let's get this thing out of the box, shall we? Make it rain. Make it rain. Alright, oh my, he's heavy. He's heavy like the Taken plays. Cheap merchandise. I was just kidding. Wow, nice. Look at those detail. Oh, yes. Yes. There's also the others to collect, like Percy and James. And also, yes, guys, I'm also getting Hero and Bernie, Annie and Clarabelle, and Gordon. Hopefully they come with new engines in the future, including rolling stock. This one's made from Japan, including has Hit Entertainment. Well, sadly, Thomas doesn't even be owned by Hit Toys anymore. Oh, nice. Man, that looks cool. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. Oh, that makes me want to vomit. That's so good. Oh, yes. Oh, I was just kidding. Oh, yes. We also got the undercarriage details. This kind of reminds me of Bachman, even though I don't have Bachman. You can also push them around. I mean, really, I don't even have to customize this bad boy at all. I'm also getting another one of this because I'm going to be customizing it to Timothy, because I'm not sure if anybody actually made a custom dieapet Timothy. So, you guys got to get yourself another dieapet Thomas, or else I will be the first one to make a dieapet Timothy. So, yeah. Alright, look at that. Oh, yes. You got the couplings, the CGI face, the whistle. Oh, yes, come on, please, please, please. Oh, yes. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. They got the back windows. Yes, but no backlighting. Oh, yes. Heck yeah. And now, let's give it a test run. So, first, let's try a home country's familiar with. Tommy. Well, he fits. But he doesn't run that well. I mean, really, it sounds like it's rubbing his... It kind of feels like it's rubbing his underside. Alright, now let's try someone else some people that didn't even try. Trackmaster number 1. Same as Tommy. Well, let's try, like, these. Yeah. It runs fine. I also found a track for them. It's actually the Power City train track. Yeah, they're also a bit crooked on the track. There it is. You can see it now. But yeah, we got the fake call. Number 1, whistle. Yeah, this thing is bad. This thing is good. And just push along. Hey, can you stop making those god-awful designs that you've been producing like 2 years now, maybe? Please change them to this bad boys right here. Alright, now let's try Trackmaster number 2. Same as Trackmaster 1 and Tommy. It also does the same, but just different. I got an idea. How about I try the Superstation track? It's as wide as Trackmaster, but the middle isn't as tall. It just might work. Oh, it does work. How about that? But yeah, guys, I've been wanting this guy for the past 3 years since my channel actually first been born. Oh, sheesh. Now I finally have a dieapet. I mean, really, look at the side rods on this thing. Oh, Sheesh, yes. Get a close look at that. Yeah, I mean, really, this is... Yes! Including the undercarriage. They also move. Look at that. Yeah, we never had a track. And yes, I will collect all the other engines, but it'll take me a while. I just hope I get them all in Christmas. Well, maybe like half of them. But yeah, he runs perfectly. I mean, his side rods are almost touching to the yard of Trackmaster. But he runs perfectly. Okay. Yes. There he is. And you guys might be wondering, no, I am not replacing the Playrail Thomas because I haven't made him in videos yet. So yeah. Oh my god, yes. I have been wanting this guy for such a long time. I mean, really, I have paid this thing over like $30 on Amazon. So yeah, I found him on Amazon. It cost me $30 because it can actually ship me in 3 days short instead of, if I did order it from eBay, then it'll take like a month to get here. So yeah. So yeah, you guys better get it from Amazon. There's only 9 left. Maybe 8 now. I don't know. So yeah, guys, you better get yourself one before it's gone. And no, I didn't find the other characters on. You know, on Amazon. Because Thomas was the only one they had. But yeah, I'm watching Team Fortress 2, but don't worry about that. So yeah, this guy is good. 2018 Garloon Thomas Limited. Yeah, it including has the spoke wheels. Man, this thing is heavy. Take that, push-alongs. The push-alongs are just god-awful. I purchased the Tomy one. If you guys do want to push-along, then go and buy Tomy, because the push-alongs are god-awful. I don't even know why it's getting popular. There's number 1. Yes. Including, when you actually hold it up, it also slops down. See? Because of those metaling rods, they are actually kind of heavy on the side rods. He including has the white running board. That means I got 3 white running boarders. Yes. Yes. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hi, surprise! You're not safe from me.